Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful sisters. It's your girl Yako, and I'm back with another interesting video. Like, now this video is not all about skincare or what we usually do. Yeah, remember I told you in my last video that I'll be doing a review about a shopping mall, an online shopping mall. So this is the video, and this video, if you are looking for a good online shopping mall where you can purchase some good products, and some of the good products for a very low price or affordable price, this one is for you. Yeah, you can purchase from wigs and clothes, shoes, handbags, just name them. Yeah, so if you're interested, make sure you watch to the end. And this online shopping mall is actually Kiku online shopping mall. Oh my god. So make sure you keep on watching them. We're doing a review about Kiku online shopping mall. Yeah, if you don't know much about Kiku online shopping mall, this is actually a shopping mall where you can purchase from filming equipment, even hairs like wigs, clothes, shoes, handbags, makeups, just name them for a just name them all for a very affordable price. So if you're interested, keep on watching, and I will show you some of the picture. I will just leave some of the picture of the stuff that you can actually get from Kiku. Yeah, even the ring light I'm using right now, I bought it from Kiku. The time here now is actually 12 a.m. and I'm up filming. Yeah, at least the ring light is not bad. I bought this for a very cheap amount, very cheap price, a very low price. And even this mic you're seeing right here, I also bought it from Kiku. I don't know if you can see it. This is it here, this tiny little mic. Yeah, I also bought it from there. Even the tripod I'm using right now, I also bought it from Kiku. So keep on watching. I also have some clothes like shoes, handbags here, and I'll also be telling you, I'll teach you on how to make order something from the website, sorry, from the online shopping mall. I'll be telling you how you can order your stuff there and get it fast. So keep on watching. I'll be back soon. Welcome back. I'm sure you must have saw some of the things that you can get from Kiku online shopping mall. You saw them, right? Yeah. So this is how this Kiku online shopping mall works. If you want to get your item pretty fast, you make sure you go for something that is a little bit not too expensive, but at least it's something very moderate. If you go for the lesser price, a price that is too very cheap or low, it will take you a very very long time for you to get your product, or the product that you will get, maybe the quality is not going to be that good. So if you must buy something from this online shopping mall, make sure you go for something that the price is not too cheap. And I say cheap from something like, if you want to buy something, if you buy something there from 1,000 francs, 2,000, it just depends the quality of it just depends the type of things I want to buy. But for me, if you want to buy something that can even can even look presentable, you must go for something that has a good price, at least a moderate price, not too expensive. Yeah, but if you have money, you can buy the expensive ones. Yeah, but if you don't have, go for the moderate price. Yeah. And if you want this Kiku online shopping mall, if you are in UK, you can still order stuff from the you can still order stuff from that Kiku online shopping mall. And if you are in Africa in general, you can still order stuff from them. And I love their services. I love, like, it's very very fast. I don't know, maybe before it used to be very slow, but now it's very fast. Like, each time I order my stuff from them, I will get it in 2 weeks time. Yeah, so I love it. I love this Kiku shopping mall a lot, because there's some stuff that you find here in Cameroon you will not see, or even if you see the stuff, it will be very very expensive here. So this Kiku shopping mall has really really helped me. Yeah, because most of my filming equipment, I bought them from Kiku shopping mall. Even including the ring light that I'm using. The ring light that I'm using, I also leave the picture so you can see it. It's very very good. It came with a remote. It came with a remote control. Yeah, which is very 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 good. A remote control where you can switch the light, like put whatever light you want to put, like everything is there. Yeah, I'll leave the picture so you can see what I mean. Also, the tripod I'm using right now, I bought it from there. I have like the big tripod and the small vlogging tripod. I bought it from there, and it's very very solid. Yeah, even some of the I have some shoes here at home, some clothes I bought from them, which is very very good. And I love the quality, I love the material, and it's very very good. I'll maybe anytime that when I'll start doing my vlogs, I'll put on some of the dresses that I bought from them, so you'll see what I mean. So if you're in Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Uganda, just name any part you are in Africa, you can just go to Play Store and install the app. Once you install the app, you go there, you fill in your information, yeah, your country, your phone number, so you can just register yourself there, and that is all you need to do. You don't pay any money to get registered. So just go to Play Store and download the app. Just type Kiku online shopping mall, and you will see it will just appear on your screen. So when you download it, you register yourself. If you are in the UK, you can still purchase any item from that shopping mall, and it's very very good. Remember, I told you the secret is go for something that is not too cheap. If you go for the stuff that are too cheap, you're not going to get what you ordered. So There are a lot of brands, like some of hair brands that you know about, and some of them that you know about, that they are also on Kiku. You can order good stuff, good hair from Amazon, from Kiku, and you get a very good quality. Don't go for the cheaper ones. If you want something that is very, very good, go for something that is at least the price makes sense. Don't go for something that is 1,000 francs, 2,000 to 5. Yeah, let's say if you want a good makeup brush, or you want a good foundation powder or concealer, you cannot get it for 1,000 francs. They have foundation for 1,000 francs, but it's not going to, I don't think it's going to be good, or I don't think you're going to like it. So please go for something that is more, you understand what I mean. Yeah, actually this Kiku online shopping mall is China. Like the things are being produced in China. Yeah, so I really love it. You know, if something that is bad, I'll not come here and do a review about it. You know me, I will never do that. So I love it a lot. If you are still a new YouTuber like me, or a small YouTuber like me, someone that is just still trying to go up their channel, you don't have money, you don't have enough money to buy some of those expensive equipment, I'll advise you to start with Kiku. Yeah, just go there. You can get a tripod there for a good price. You can also get, remember that tripod there that are very, very cheap, but if you buy something that is too cheap, you are not going to like the quality. So at least go for something that is a bit moderate, not too expensive, not too cheap. Yeah, so if you're a small content creator like me, someone that is still trying to grow their channel, you don't need to put a lot of money or have any stress, any worry about buying filming equipment. Just go to Kiku and search some of the stuff that you want, like something like ring light. I remember, like, when you see my video, like my former videos that I used to, like the ones that it used to somehow, like, it was too bright because I was using daylight. There are some times where the light will be calm, like it will calm now, and then later it will just vanish, just like that, and it was somehow not looking presentable. But thank God you people were patient enough to watch the videos. Yeah, and like we are in the rainy season right now, so you see why this ring light is actually helping me, because without this ring light I cannot even film at this time. Now it's actually 12 a.m. everybody is sleeping, so I can film my video. The ring light is not too big, it's not too small, it's just normal. So I love it like this, because right now I'm still using my phone to film, but I'm okay with it, and the quality is not that bad. It's because I'm using my phone to film. Yeah, so like I said, go there, check it out, and place your order. It's very, very, very safe. Don't be scared that maybe you will not get your order on time or your products on time. No. Yeah, but if you like me, maybe it's because most of the stuff that I bought there are filming equipment and hair, and also some dresses that I little bit, maybe that's why it came fast. But my experience there, I never had any bad experience on Kiku. Yeah, so I love their service. So when you order stuff from them, and when your stuff is in your country, they'll just send you a message through your number. Whenever you're registering, when you want to register yourself on the online shopping model, ask for your phone number. So I gave my phone number. I put my phone number in the filling form. When I was filling the form, I put my number there, my address, everything. Yeah, so when the stuff arrived in my country, precisely Douala, they sent me a message. Yeah, so I went there and got my stuff. They send me a message. If you are living somewhere, because me, I live in town. Like they have their office in Aquanor, and they also have their office at just opposite the airport. So if you are living close to the airport, they are going to send you a different message. They will not send you the same message with someone that is living around Bonamusadi or Bonaprizo, or I don't know people that are living in Bonabel. I don't know how they get their stuff. But if you are living in Aquanor, you know that you get your stuff. Their head office is there. Like, you go there, you get your stuff. If you are living near the airport, it means you go and get your stuff opposite the airport. Like, near there is one express union, you go and get your stuff there. Yeah, so that is how Kiku online shopping mall work. And also that Kiku shopping mall, like, it has a lot of stuff. I just love this Kiku online shopping mall a lot. Yeah, so I just thought I should come and share it with you guys here. Yeah, so if you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share the video. Like, share the video. I always say share, okay? And I'll see you in my next video.